Hello friends, welcome in this video. So this is the video where I'm going to tell you how can fill autofill serial number. So this is very simple trick. यहाँ पे अगर आपको सीरियल नंबर फिल करना है तो आपको क्या करना है। सबसे पहले मैं आपको ये बता देता हूँ कि अगर मैं यहाँ पे मोर देन 1000 स्टूडेंट की एंट्री करनी है एंड वी डोंट वांट टू फिल serial number from the keyboard and I want to fill the serial number automatically. So this is a very simple trick. Simply select the table and press the Ctrl T from the keyboard, and also you can use the table format in the design. You will see the table here. So select the table and table will be like this, and I will remove the filter from here. So this is the auto filter, and now simply use the equal sign, then type rows bracket. Now give the cell reference, which is a 6. So C6, this is a 6, type 6 colon, then bracket, type at the rate, again bracket, serial number, close this. So this is closing bracket, and now we need to close this bracket again and close this and hit enter. As you hit enter, you will see the auto serial number is generated. Now if you try to do entry here, I will enter any name. As you can see, the auto serial number is generating. Every time you try to enter any data, this will enter serial number. So this is very simple, easy and trick which will help you to fill auto serial number. यदि आपको वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो वीडियो को लाइक शेयर जरूर करें, प्लस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल न भूलें। धन्यवाद। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।